Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today, as promised, I am doing a new nail polish of the week video in which I'm just going to answer some random questions that you guys have asked me here on YouTube as well on Instagram. So yeah, I'm just going to start on painting my nails. If you want to know what I'm using, I'm just using little like annotations in the lower left corner so you know what I'm actually using, but of course I always show the products I use anyway. But yeah, let's just start off with the questions because this video is a little bit of a shorter one and I do want to cover as many questions as possible because you guys asked a ton. So first up is, how far along pregnant are you at the moment with your third baby and when is the due date? So my due date is June 4th, but I think this baby will be here a little earlier because all of my babies have been a little earlier due to different reasons. And yeah, at the moment when this video will go up, I will be 27 weeks and 4 days, but doing this voiceover at the moment I'm actually 1 day prior. So let's say I'm just 27.5 weeks going on 28 weeks. So I have just entered third trimester and I can definitely feel it in my body. The next question is, are you sharing the gender of baby number 3 soon? I am just for like online letting people know, I am just going to wait until this little baby is born, just like I did with Aeon and Aurora as well. That is just because I feel like it's not like it's super private or anything like that, but some things you just want to keep for yourself as long as possible. And then again, I haven't even told my own brothers yet what the gender is, so it feels really weird to just throw that online, since some people I just really want to talk to in person and not let them just find out through social media or something like that. Then the next question that I got was, how are you doing with a 1-year-old and being almost in your third trimester, or at least I wasn't in my third trimester when I asked you guys on Instagram if you had any questions you wanted me to answer in this little Q&A nail polish of the week video. I have to say, as I mentioned, I'm definitely feeling it in my body. I pretty much need to rest more, but having a 14-month-old walking and almost running around here, it is pretty much impossible to have a nap during the day. Then again, I still work at my regular job as well for 3, almost 4 days a week. It's also pretty impossible to really rest there, especially with one of my co-workers being sick at the moment. We are just short on people, so I don't really rest enough. I have to say, I don't really sleep enough either. It's just an ongoing process of being tired, but keep on going. And I'm really trying to do my best. But yeah, I definitely feel like I'm like longing for my pregnancy leave to start. I'm actually going on my leave I think around 34 weeks, but I do still have some vacation or holiday hours I am going to use from last year, so I'm actually going away with 32 weeks already, so I can't wait. I'm really counting down the weeks at the moment just to have a little bit more peace of mind, to prepare myself for everything, and so on and so on. So yeah, it definitely is a lot, but I don't feel like I'm struggling or anything like that. Then next up is, do you have any specific pregnancy food cravings? It's actually quite funny because in my first trimester I didn't really have a lot of food cravings. It wasn't as bad as it was with Aeon and Aurora, which were way worse when it came to like food cravings. The only thing I'm really craving are chocolate taffies, which is oh, those are heaven. They're really, really like loaded with sugar because, you know, chocolate and taffies, like it's crazy, but they're so good. Then on the other hand, I'm really craving oranges. Like a lot, like just the fruit itself. I don't want it processed. I don't really want like orange juice or anything. I just want oranges. I want to peel them. I want to eat them. I want to like, oh, be in heaven when I have them. And then another thing that was kind of the only thing I had in my first trimester with this little baby was raisin bread with a lot of like full cream, thick butter. That was, oh. And then again, I have to say, I haven't had it for a couple of months, and I had it last week again, and oh, it was still so good. So I'd say raisin bread with like full cream butter, chocolate taffies and oranges are the way to go this pregnancy. Then I also got some non-pregnancy related questions, which are also a lot of fun to do. First one is, what are your favorite nail polish colors to wear and use, and what are your least favorite colors? Like my least favorite colors, you guys know me, especially if you've been hanging out with me here at my YouTube channel for the like last 5 to 7 years. I don't like green nail polishes. Sometimes they grow on me a little bit, but green is my least favorite. Then my favorites definitely are pinks. I love purples. I love like rosy pink kind of colors. That is something that I've been loving for, I don't know, the last like 10 years or something. But pinks are definitely the way to go for me. Then another question that I got is, if you were ever to emigrate, where would you go? And I would say probably Thailand or Japan. Those are two of my favorite countries that I have actually visited. I've visited Thailand for like 4 times or something. In Japan I've only went once because it's quite expensive to go there, and just life itself is quite expensive there. But yeah, it would probably be one of those 2 countries. And then another question was, what do you do for fun besides nail stuff, if you have any other hobbies? To be honest, I don't have time to really like go into my hobbies as much. I'm pretty crafty. I love knitting. I just love creating stuff. I love music. I love to sing. I love to create music. But you know, being a mom and working and just being the person who runs this household as well as doing YouTube, I don't really have other hobbies, or at least time to do other hobbies. Then finally, I wanted to share 3 colors that I will be using in my next YouTube video for nail art. So I just wanted to share with you these 3 colors together, but because I think they're really, really gorgeous, and I'm really curious to see if you can guess what kind of nail art I created with these. But yeah, this was the entire new nail polish of the week / Q&A video. Let me know what you think about the color that I swatched. And of course, if you have any other questions, let me know. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.